Today for the Bitcoin price, will Bitcoin eventually, like in history, get this breakout very soon? Well guys, today we will be zooming into the 4-hourly and daily time frames, and we will show you compelling evidence as to whether we are going to find a significant breakdown all the way to this specific price level, or whether Bitcoin will be squeezed and finally find the breakout to a very new all-time high. Well guys, we have compelling evidence directly from the Bitcoin blockchain here, from this Glassnode chart, and right now it is flashing a very specific signal here right now with this confirmation of the Puell multiple. I will put all of that together and give you a very specific prediction here for the Bitcoin price right now in the immediate short term. So make sure you take a seat, make sure you scroll down, you smash up the like button for that video to at least 3,000 likes. And with that being said, welcome crypto friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris, and as always we are really pumped to go straight into the content. Okay, and as always guys, we are starting here on the 4-hourly candles for the Bitcoin price. And of course it is boring, I know that everyone is complaining, and also for me it is not the most exciting thing. I already told you that I am standing on the sidelines and look at the price, it is just going sideways. But I can tell you one thing, a huge move for Bitcoin is going to come, hands down, this is for sure. I will be telling you why and what I am expecting here, in what direction it is going to go, before I will go into these crazy metrics here. This crazy tweet we actually made just a few minutes ago, the people are already going crazy about it. I will be telling you why this is considered to be very bullish for Bitcoin. First of all, let's start here on the 4-hourly candles. And as you can see, is that we had here these 3 falling wedges for Bitcoin, which are in the micro, in the shorter time frames here, a bullish thing for Bitcoin. And you can actually see that all of them were breaking out towards the upside. And also this one here was breaking out towards the upside, as we mentioned the last time. However, this breakout was more than underwhelming. The Bitcoin price was getting rejected here with that fake out on the 4-hourly EMA ribbons, and right now I can tell you this is not bullish for Bitcoin. When Bitcoin is below the 4-hourly, but even more important, below the daily EMA ribbons, and I will come to that later, then we usually see a massive crash coming afterwards, and I will be telling you what can save us from that horrible scenario. First of all, good news, Bitcoin is still above this big support line. I had a red support line, support box. I will point it out here as a green one because it is something good. But in case we are, let me go over to the daily candles, closing a daily candle below this support line here, then I will tell you guys there's a chance significantly increases of us getting a major correction towards the downside. I will be zooming out, I will be telling you the price target for that. And of course guys, just to make it complete, in case we are getting the rejection, in case Bitcoin is closing below 8,600, then I want to put out that the probability significantly increases of us actually reaching here these 6,500, 7,000 US dollar price targets before we are eventually breaking out. Keep that in mind here as at least one possibility, one bearish scenario for the Bitcoin price. This is very important to keep in mind in the worst case scenario. And also guys, thank you so much as always for smashing up the like button. The last video got nearly 2,700 likes already, some of our videos even reaching more than 3,000 likes, so thank you so much for that. Let's try to get the maximum amount of likes for that specific video, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, whatever. Thank you so much for your dedication, it is truly appreciated. But guys, in case Bitcoin, and it is not very likely, it doesn't look very good right now, but you always know, whenever it looks extremely bearish for Bitcoin, whenever the historical volatility goes down, the relative volatility goes down, the fear and greed index goes down, and also the mentions of Bitcoin on the social metrics are going down, this is usually the moment when Bitcoin spikes towards the upside. So when we are getting a daily close, not a 4-hourly, a daily close above the 4-hourly daily ribbons, then our chance right now increases furthermore, being squeezed here into this huge triangle. I will show it to you, I will be zooming out, and then eventually getting the breakout. But look at this, if Bitcoin remains below the EMA daily ribbon, guys, the time is ticking right now. We have maybe another week or so so, then the chance significantly increases of us getting this huge bounce to the downside. Look at this, we were below here 8 days, then we had the last final rejection and Bitcoin just bounced towards the downside in the Corona crash. And this works every single time. Look at this in October 2019. I will be showing you what these boxes mean. Bitcoin was below for a few days, the last final rejection, and then we went down for a massive rejection from 10,000 all the way down to 7,300 US dollars. So this is not out of the woods right now. We have to close a daily candle above. Let me go here to the monthly candles to show you once again the major importance of us going above. Let me eliminate the EMA ribbons, and you can see that it actually looks like a mirror. And if I were to pull out also here this eclipse, you can see that we are right now, look at this, in the final stages here. And of course the question is, will Bitcoin be able to replicate what we have done in 2016? Well guys, for this we have to go above the EMA daily ribbon, and for this we have to eventually, and here we are on the monthly candles guys, very important, we have to eventually, and I truly believe on the monthly candles this is going to happen either in July, August, September, latest towards the end of the year, December 2020. We will eventually, in my opinion, rather sooner than later on the monthly candles, get the breakout towards the upside and replicate actually what is happening right here. Of course, not considering any black swan events, any exogenous risks coming from the outside, because keep in mind we are still correlated to the S&P 500. I am calling that this will end sometime in the future. It is already decreasing, the amount of correlation is already decreasing, but right now we are still correlated and we have to face the truth here. So this is not out of the woods guys. I remain bullish as long as Bitcoin is not closing a daily candle below 8,600 US dollars. But this is guys what you have been waiting for. Our tweet here we have put out just a few minutes ago, and it is already going crazy. The people are going crazy about it. We actually said here, breaking within the last 10 years, Bitcoin went 4 times into the green buy zone of the Buell multiple. Every time we hit the zone, broke out and confirmed, and this is what this video is about, and confirmed the breakout, Bitcoin started the parabolic bull run, and just now we confirmed the breakout again. You can see it right here, you can see it right here, but this is the 7-day moving average, and of course you can see it right here. And this is edited by us. Nevertheless, I want to give big credits here to Glassnode for providing the data. You know that we have a free sign up link in the pinned comment down below. By the way, talking about the pinned comment, before I continue with that, it is very important because I negotiated something for you guys. If you scroll down to the pinned comment, you can see that we don't have $402 but $502 completely for free right now. Stick here until the end. I will be talking about that indicator, but this is very important because we have been talking with Duedex and asking for the highest possible deposit bonus for you. So if you press this specific link here and you put in your email address and your password here, email address and password, you get your account within 24 seconds. And after a specific, I will leave also the deposit schedule below, specific deposit, you can get $300 for free. You don't even have to touch your own money. You can use the free bonus to trade and you can withdraw the profits also from your free bonus. And this is why I am pushing it to you, even though it is only for experienced traders. I consider this to be a very generous offer. Also guys, small disclaimer, Duedex is not only one of our affiliate partners, they are also every now and then, just as today, sponsoring our specific episodes. Our affiliate partnership for the long run is not sponsored though. And this is the reason why I'm pushing it today, because yesterday they just announced their new design here on the website. And before, I mean, some people didn't really like the design. I am trading here as well. Over here you can see I even have a balance, so I am planning to make a small trade here very soon once our specific indicators flashes here also for the short term. For the long term I'm extremely bullish. For the short term I am waiting for these indicators and I will be putting in a long position once the time comes, guys. Make sure you click it, make sure you take advantage of that, it is a limited offer. But now guys, let's continue with that. You can see here the pure multiple, it is the 7-day moving average, and you can see that in every single cycle we dipped in one time into this green buying zone. And you remember the pure multiple is what we consider the halving indicator. It sets the Bitcoin price in relation to the miner's revenue. Whenever the miner's revenue is significantly lower in relation to the Bitcoin price than in historical terms, we are dipping down here into this green buying zone. The first time in 2012, and this is important guys, we are dipping below, we are going out and confirming the breakdown. I will show you on the micro time frames here how this is exactly replicating right now and what it means for the Bitcoin price right now. The second time it was happening in the beginning of 2015, Bitcoin price went out, confirmed the breakout and went off to the races. Same thing here in 2019. Bitcoin local law 3150, pure multiple hitting this green buying area, going out, confirming the breakout, touching it one more time and going off to the races to 14,000 US dollars. The exact same thing happened here immediately after the halving with the miners revenue going lower. The Bitcoin price dipped below, we went out and look at this. This doesn't look like a confirmation of the breakout. It doesn't look that we hit this green buy area. Well guys, let's go over here into this Glassnode studio, and if I diminish the 7-day moving average and if I am zooming in here, then look at this. We went below here after this vertical line, after the halving, went below. And what on the 7-day moving average, let me go to the 7-day moving average, doesn't look like we confirmed the breakout. Looks on the non-7-day, on the daily metrics here, looks exactly like the confirmation of the breakout, exactly what we also got here before at this Corona dump, the confirmation of this breakout here, and Bitcoin went off to the races. The exact same thing is happening here right now, and as you can see right here, the exact same thing was happening throughout the 10-11 years price history for Bitcoin. And let me pull that up here. If history were to repeat guys, I can tell you, of course it can change, exogenous black swan events can come, but if history were to do something remotely similar to what it did every single time we repeated that specific pattern, I can tell you we will see this parabolic bull run within the next 1, 2, 3 years. Let me know in the comment section what you think about that. And also guys, of course, remember, if you scroll down to our pinned comment, you will find our free Glassnode link here, and by clicking that link, put in your email address, you get a free account on Glassnode and this data completely pushed to you for free. If that isn't great guys, I don't know. I love on-chain data. Let me know what you think about that. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching guys, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. As always guys, as always, bye bye.